Hi to all. Today we are going to make stir fry prawns in Hamare style. For that we need fresh prawns, breadcrumbs, crushed garlic, crushed red chillies, soya sauce, tomato sauce and Shezwan sauce. Let us take fresh prawns. Add salt as per taste. Mix it nicely. Now we are going to coat these prawns in a breadcrumbs. So take breadcrumbs, add salt as per taste and red chilli powder. Mix it nicely. Now coat our prawns with these breadcrumbs nicely and fry it in an oil on a medium to high flame for a minute. Now take them out. Keep it aside. Now take a fresh oil in a pan. Add crushed garlic and crushed red chillies. Mix it nicely. Let it fry for a minute on a low flame. Add soya sauce, Shezwan sauce, tomato sauce and salt as per taste. Mix it well. Let it cook for a minute on a low flame. Then add our fried prawns into it. Mix them nicely and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. So here is our stir fry prawns. It's ready. It looks yummy and delicious. You can have this with Shezwan sauce or tomato sauce. If you liked our recipe, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.